The world produces enough food to feed everyone. Up to 40% of the food in the United States is never eaten, but at the same time, 1 in 8 Americans struggles to put enough food on the table. All over the world, we face food-related issues such as starvation, malnutrition, and obesity.
So what exactly is world hunger? World hunger refers to global food insecurity and malnutrition and the limited and unreliable access to foods that are safe and nutritionally adequate on a global scale. In other words, world hunger is about more than just getting enough food. It's about getting the right foods. Just looking at children, 35% of the global population is affected by one of the issues included in this definition. This alone should be enough to show that we have a serious problem. Good quality, healthy food simply isn't available to much of the world's population. An example of poor food distribution is the existence of food deserts, which are large areas lacking any source of nutritionally rich food. Within the US, the company Dollar General started targeting rural areas to build their stores, putting local groceries out of business and replacing healthy food choices with cheap processed foods.
So how can we fix our broken system of food distribution? The topic of food production and distribution appears countlessly throughout well-known works of sci-fi. One popular solution is to put artificial intelligence in charge of decision-making. We see examples of this in Asimov's The Last Question, Condi's The Match Trilogy, as well as in the Netflix series Black Mirror. In The Last Question, AI is relied upon to do any difficult problem solving. There's no reason to believe that this couldn't be extended to the question of how to distribute food. In the Match Trilogy, meals with proper caloric distributions are delivered to each home every day through AI embedded in their homes. In Black Mirror, one episode includes an automated pizza delivery truck that uses AI to both make and deliver pizza.
A lot of this technology already exists today. For example, there are many companies that offer nutritious grocery delivery services such as HelloFresh and Blue Apron. Along with delivering fresh produce, they also provide recipes for healthy dishes. However, these services are unavailable to the lower class and those in rural areas, largely due to cost and accessibility. One way to combat this issue is for the government to implement a similar program. Hubs could be created within post offices for people to enter data and collect their groceries. By doing so, we could take advantage of both the existing postal services network for distribution and the prevalence of post offices across communities.
A combination of existing and science fiction-based systems could show us a world where food distribution is taken care of by smart technology. From determining nutritional needs per person, to deciding what foods to produce, to delivering the food itself. By using artificial intelligence, we can build a future where starvation and malnutrition could become issues of the past.